નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. હેલો સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, ટુડે we are going to learn standard 6th subject English grammar, lesson number 4th, nouns, singular, plural. As we studied in our previous video, we learnt about teaching points related to nouns, singular and plural. Now today we have to do exercise A and B in this video. But before starting our video of exercise, just we have to revise what is a singular and what is a plural. First of all, singular used for indicating one unit of the noun. It is used for a single noun. It is a one unit of noun. It is known as a singular noun. More than one unit, it is known as a plural noun. More than one thing, one place, one person, we can say that it's a plural noun. So now we have to start our exercise A. First of all, exercise A is given here. Complete the following sentences with suitable nouns, singular or plural. We have to use brackets word as a singular and plural form, and we have to put it in the blanks. First one is given here, just we read. China baked the maximum number of medals in blanks. Here athletic word is given. Athletic is a noun. Here we have to put a singular or plural form of that athletic in here. But we are talking in that sentence, bake the maximum number of medals. So medals in a plural form, and medals cannot get in a single athletic. So we have to put athletics plural form here. So answer become athletics. ATHLETICS. Athletics we have to put here. Now second blank is given here. The blanks are sailing in the Pacific without being informed of the coming danger. Here ship word is ship noun is given. We have to put singular or plural form as suitable to that blanks. Just see students here. After blanks, helping verb are is given here. After blanks, if after blanks, helping verb is given, we have to see that helping verb, and according to that helping verb, we have to put singular or plural form. Here are is used as a plural helping verb. So we have to put ship instead of sheep. We have to put ships. SHIPS here as a finalized answer become the ships are sailing in the Pacific without being informed of the coming danger. Can you understand, student? Now third blanks we have to see. Third blanks. Rapunzel lowered her blanks so that the prince could climb. Tress word is given here. Tress means a long hair of a lady or women. Okay, it is a known in our Gujarati language, we can say that chotlo. Okay, tress. So Rapunzel lowered her tresses, bun of hairs. It is known as a tresses. We have to put TRESSES. So we have to put here plural form of tresses, so that the prince could climb. Now fourth sentence. The state government has passed the new blanks to deal with the coming blanks. First blanks we have to use ordinance. Ordinance. The state government has passed the new ordinance. Ordinances we have to put plural form only. Ordinances, the bunch of new rules, it is known as ordinances. ORDINANCES we have to put here ordinances to deal with the coming crisis. Instead of crisis we have to put plural form here, crisis. CRISIS. Here crisis is in a plural form. We have to put only crisis. CRISIS. We have to put like that only. So first blanks we have to put ordinances. ORDINANCES, and second blank we have to put like that, CRISIS. SIS, only that thing. Now fifth one. The planet Jupiter has many blank. Moon word is given here as a noun. So many word depict a plural form here. So we have to put the plural form of moon here. So we have to write moonsa, MOONS. MOONS we have to put here in that blanks. Now sixth one. Curiosity brought him near the blanks and he put his ear to the keyhole. Room noun is given here. Curiosity brought him near the. The is the article used here, so we have to put here only room. ROOM, room. So it's become a singular form. Now 7-1. My blanks are watering from constant exposure to blue light. I word is given here, but we cannot use the singular form, so we have to put eyes, EYES. My eyes are, because here are helping verb plural is used, so we have to talking about two eyes, so it's become a eyes here, EYES. Now 8 number. Being kind with blanks can sometimes bring you great harm. Person is given here. Being kind with persons, we have to put here plural form, PERSONS. Persons can sometimes bring you great harms, because we are talking here more than one person, so we have to put persons here. 9 number. The great king passed an edict to shut down all blanks. Theater, here theater word is given, so all theaters we have to put plural form here, all. We are not talking about a single theater, but we are talking about more than one theater, so here answer become theaters, THEATRES. Understand student? Now 10th number. European blanks were ridden with blanks during the dark ages. First blanks we have to use country. European, not only single country. European is a group of countries, so we have to put here countries, COUNTRIES, countries. Where, and instead here where word is given as a helping verb, so we have to put plural form of country, so it's become a countries here. Ridden with blanks during the dark ages. Superstition word is given here. Superstitions we have to put plural form here, SUPERSITIONS. Superstitions during the dark ages. Now students, we have to do B exercise. Rewrite the sentences using the plural forms of the underlined words. We have to rewrite the sentence using the plural form of underlined words, and we have to rewrite the sentence correctly. First sentence is given here. Economics is my favorite subject. Here economics word is used as our grammatical rule. Economics word always came with a singular noun. It is considered as a only singular noun. We cannot put as a plural form. So economics remains same to same and whole sentence remains same. We cannot use economics word with a plural helping verb or as a plural noun. So answer become here that economics is my favorite subject. It's a remains same here. Now second sentence we have to see. The mayor called the council for an urgent propaganda. The mayor called the council for an urgent propaganda. Here propaganda is used as a singular noun. We have to convert it into plural form, and we have to do other changes in sentences if happen. First one, we have to write like that. The mayor called the council for, till for it's remain same, but we have to remove an article, because article is used with a singular noun. We have to convert into plural form, so we have to remove an here. We have to remove an here. So become the mayor called the council for urgent propagandas. We have to put S after propaganda. So it's converted into plural form. Can you understand, student? Now, third sentence we have to do. If you want to be in the army, you need to have grit and gut. Here, grit and gut is considered as a single word. We have to put plural form of that grit and gut. So now finalized sentence become like that. If you want to be in the army, you need to have grit and guts. Grit and guts. We have to put here S after gut. So it's become a plural sentence now. Fourth one. The ATM machine of this bylane is not working properly. So the ATM machine is a singular word here. We have to put, instead of singular, we have to put plural form. So finalize becomes like that. The ATM machines, machines, machines of this bylane, here is given here. Is used with a singular noun, but we converted that machine into plural form. So we have to put here plural helping verb also. So instead of is, we have to put are. So finalized sentence become like that. The ATM machines of this bylane are not working properly. Can you understand, student, now how it's happened? Okay, now fifth one. Drinking juice can cut down on fat and cholesterol. Drinking juice. Juice is a singular noun here. We have to convert it into plural and we have to make other changes happen. Drinking juices. Juices. Drinking juices can cut down on fat and cholesterol. Other things remain same. We have to put here only juices. 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 Now sixth one. My mother went to the market and bought a potato. My mother went to the market and bought a potato. Here potato is in a singular form. We have to put in a plural form. Now what changes we have to see. My mother went to the market and bought. We have to remove article A here. So my mother went to the market and bought potatoes. Instead of a potato, we have to put potatoes. 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 We have to put here. After that, seventh sentence. Disappointment showed on the student's face. Here, disappointment showed on the student. Student is a singular form here. We have to convert into plural form and we have to also face converted into plural form. So we have to changes here both things. So finalize become here. Disappointment showed on the students. We have to put plural students like that. students. After s we have to put apostrophe sign. Then face become here. Faces. 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 Can you understand, student, now? Now sentence number 8 we have to see. Look at the great personality that stands here. Look at the great personality is a singular word. We have to convert into plural form. Now what's happened? See. Look at the great personalities. personalities. Personalities that stand here. That stand. Instead of stands, we have to put only singular form. We have to remove s here. We have to remove s here. And finalized sentence become here. Stand here. Look at the great personalities that stand here. We have to put personalities and we have to remove s from stand. Can you understand? Okay, now. Next one, 9 number. A common old age ailment is arthritis. Arthritis. A common old age ailment. A common old age ailment is arthritis. So all the sentence remain same because we cannot use arthritis with a plural form. So sentence remains same as. Can you understand, student? Now 10th one. Preventing crime. is a better cure than punishing for crime. Here crime is a singular form, we have to convert it into plural form. So what's happened now, we have to see. Preventing, instead of crime we have to write crimes, crimes, crimes is a better cure than punishing for, here we have to put here also s, crimes, crimes. So both place we have to do crimes and it's become in a plural form. Preventing crimes is a better cure than punishing for crimes. Can you understand, student, now? So it is all are converted into plural form. Answer key is given here on downside. You have to complete all the exercise in your grammar textbook with pencil. Exercise A's answer is given here, you have to do it in your grammar textbook. Exercise B answer is given here, you have to put it here, complete it into your grammar textbook. Thank you for joining us